Today marks a major milestone for us, WTX, and our team. This is going to be a momentous time. It is really all because of your efforts. Today we are officially merged with Groundworks.
I officially want to welcome you to our company, and let me tell you what we're about. We are a big culture company at Groundworks. We believe if we treat people with dignity and respect, give them the tools they need to win, they're going to show up professionals and we're going to win. You have a lot of Groundworks folks that are here today. If you meet with them, ask them where they started. Many of them started as installers. Now they've moved up into management and they've traveled all over the country. We're here to serve you so you can go out and win in the marketplace. One of those things that make us very unique is we granted ownership to every single employee in the company. So as you think about your own career, it's no longer about punching a time clock. It's about how can I build a profession? How can I build a career that's better for you and your family?